Hey everyone, welcome to the Heath Street Minute. 1 minute of knowledge coming at you. This week we are cutting through the final stages of the CNC process. Now if you remember, last week we designed our sign, we set up our parameters, we picked out the 60-degree V-bit, and we assigned a V-carve toolpath. So today we're going to open up Carbide Motion, the controller software for the Shapeoko 3 CNC. We're going to load our G-code, chuck our bit, and set our router's RPMs to match the appropriate speeds and feeds for the bit. Next, we will home our machine. There ain't nothing like home. We'll set our new X and Y coordinates using the jog screen and use the fancy paper trick to set our Z axis. Then it's time to clear all existing offsets and zero out the axes. Once everything is to your liking, click that run button and sit back and be mesmerized.